got a little bonus demo that I want to show you that since we're in here, and I'll let that task finish, I want to highlight something that is actually quite relevant nowadays. It's around security and compliance. So I got a little bonus demo I want to talk to you about. I want to say it was version 12 that we came out with we used to call it Best Practices Analyzer. 12.1, we called it Security and Compliance. 12.2, we're sticking with the name, but we're adding more stuff to it. I want to draw your attention to this little widget here. I would recommend each of you with Veeam deployments to, take a look at this. In 12.2, we added some extra things. Now, I'm going to tell you, I'm in a lab, okay? So there's different use cases that go with me showing it to you and doing all kinds of other different things. But I can tell you, I should go ahead and, disable or re-enable Windows Firewall, or I should, at a minimum, look at turning off like some of these other services like this one, because I know I'm not using that one. Or I do have MFA, I'm doing that good. I have Immutable, right? But we have added a whole bunch of best practices and product configuration, both the environment that Veeam runs in and then how Veeam is configured. There's two separate things. I would highly recommend that you just take a look at this list and then analyze it and then go through and say, you know what, I should turn something off or configure something accordingly. This will really help your threat center score and your overall cyber resilience. So bonus demo there for you.